Art Studio. Hope you're ready for some more blooming fun. I'm going to work on a round canvas today. They're always fun when I get one. So let's get down to the table and have some fun. Okay, so I have a 12-inch round canvas on my spinner. For our base coat today, we're going to play with my Sherwin in colors to go Impulsive Purple. That's a fun one. We've got TLP Mermaid. In eye candy, I've got 14 karat gold to give me my sparkle. I've got Nebula green. In neons, I've got electric blue and Magma magenta. Then I have some Amsterdam permanent blue violet. And just for fun, we're going to throw in some unicorn spit in Athena copper. And our cell activators today are going to be titanium white and Amsterdam turquoise blue. I loved how that turquoise blue worked last time, so we're going to play with it again. I have my hair dryer ready because we're doing a larger one. And we're going to get started. So to start this, we're going to start with our base coat and just give us a nice puddle of that. Alright, now we're going to put down our colors. Now for those of you who are less familiar with the bloom technique, this is a house paint. There's nothing fancy. This is just straight Sherwin's colors to go house paint. All of my pigments are mixed with some pigment along with Jo Sonja varnish, and I still have some bare untinted house paint, the 8300. I had a large collection of it. And then some are mixed with the Jo Sonja and the bare, along with some regular paint, which is like this one. And then, of course, our cell activators are mixed with the Amsterdam paint, 2.5 to 1 with Aussie Floetrol. So that's 2.5 Aussie Floetrol and 1 part paint. All right, we're going to throw these colors down, blow this out, and see how we like it. So let's get a little wild and crazy here. Now, since this one was fairly quick, this won't be sped up very much, so you'll see it more in real time. But I am going to put on music for you because I'm so used to these taking so long that you're not going to hear me say anything anyway, that I pretty much didn't speak through the whole thing. So, talk to you a little bit. Now this you don't mix with anything, it's just straight from the bottle. So if you haven't used this stuff before, it's fun to add into blooms, but you do just use it straight out of the bottle, no mixing. I'm going to clean this up a bit and then I'll bring you in for a flyover. Okay, there's the wet results. I'm hoping this will dry well. The colors came out beautiful in this one section up here that's just so full of copper. This up here is just so beautiful. So I think it came out rather pretty. So we're going to let it dry and see what we think. Okay, before we give you the dry results for this week, this is the one from 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, I have played with this one a little more. So number one, I painted over the tentacles and the body with more of the pigment, so the Reiku color shift on the tentacles and the plastic pink on the body to make him a little brighter. And then I got out my paint markers and did a little more embellishing. And he is really gorgeous now. And the shift is so much more defined now. You can see he goes purple, green, and sometimes blue. You can see the blue in there. But really, really pleased with the final results on that one. Now let's get to tonight's dry results. And here are the dry results. This one dried really, really well. I was very pleased. And this copper and the turquoise are just making me really, really happy. Happy, happy, happy. This part up here has so much beautiful copper. And that center is so much fun. Really pleased with how this one came out. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for all of the links. Before me, you should have seen Bill with Bill Roberson Art, and after me is Billy with BCC Arts Studio. Have a wonderful evening, everyone, and a wonderful weekend.